హాయ్ మై డియర్ సోల్ ఫ్రెండ్స్, ఎలా ఉన్నారని అందరూ స్మైల్ చేస్తున్నారా? హ్యాపీగా ఉండాలి. నేను మీ ఢిల్లీ వకులక్క. స్మైల్ ఆల్వేస్ మేక్ యూ రిచ్ అండ్ ఆల్వేస్. ప్లీజ్ మేక్ ష్యూర్ you subscribe my channel before you go deeper into the video. I am fit and fine. I am peaceful. I am in good health. I am healthy and happy. I am healthy and wealthy. I am wealthy. I am prosperous. I am abundant. I am financially abundant. I am spiritually abundant. I am happy. I am happy. I am free. I am intelligent. I am rich. I am rich and respectful. I am so powerful. I am divine. I am blissful. I love everyone. Everyone loves me. I got financial peace and freedom. I am slim. I am beautiful. I am attractive. I am grateful. I am successful. I feel free. Money is overflowing in my pockets and bank accounts and in my handbags. Money comes to me always from unexpected sources. I am blissful. I am fortunate. I have my own brand new big house in my name. It has a very big hall and very big temple. Thank you, Lord, for everything. I have a very big car. Thank you, Lord. Thank you so much for everything. I am an enlightened spiritual master. Thank you, thank you, thank you. My soul feels pleasure every moment and it is in peace. I am peaceful. I daily make my family smile. I daily make my family smile. My family is my well-wisher. My family is my well-wisher. My family is my well-wisher. I care for my husband and children and they care for me. I love my husband and my daughter and my son. They love me so much. We live very happy life together. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Thank you so much, my Lord. I'm active and I'm very determined. I'm so grateful to you, my Lord. Money comes to me very easily and quickly. Money comes to me very, very easily and quickly. Your blessings are with me always, my Lord. Your blessings are with me always, my Lord. I have 50 crore rupees. I have 50 crore rupees. Thank you, thank you, thank you. I am independent. I'm financially independent. I got spiritual peace and freedom. I am the leader. I am the king. I am the queen. I am a celebrity. Everyone listens me. You have given me everything, my Lord. I am so, so grateful to you. All is yours. What can I give you? Take all. Please bless me with abundance. I am healthy and happy. I am becoming lighter and leaner every day. I love to do some yoga in a way that is fun for me. I eat to nourish my body. I am becoming stronger and slimmer every day. I release the past and let it go. I release the past and let it go. I am relaxed and at peace. I am relaxed and at peace. I love my body, mind and soul. I am in positive energy always. I love myself. I'm healthy, whole, and complete. I'm healthy, whole, and complete. I'm young and energetic. I am young and energetic. I am young and energetic. Oh God, thank you, thank you, thank you. Thank you, Gurudeva. Thank you, Hare Krishna. Thank you, universe. I have perfect health. I have perfect balance. I have perfect weight. I have perfect image. I have perfect health. I have perfect balance. I have perfect weight. I have perfect image. I have perfect health. I have perfect balance. I have perfect weight. I have perfect image. I have perfect health. I have perfect balance. I have perfect weight. I have perfect image. I have perfect health. I have perfect balance. I have perfect weight. I have perfect image. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Thank you for today. Thank you for tomorrow. Thank you, Lord. You're always with me. Thank you for being with me. All my chakras aligned properly. All my chakras vibrate higher energies. All my chakras vibrate uniformly. Thank you for giving me spontaneous intelligence, success, and opportunities. I always get the opportunities which I need in front of me. Always. I'm enjoying my success every moment of my life. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Thank you, Lord. Wanna be rich? Then feel all be rich. The only thing you do is share, share, share. Thank you so much for watching.